I'm trying to crank the camera up a little bit so you can see the food. Hold on. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put everything over here so y'all can see it. Y'all can see it. Put everything over here so y'all can see it. This crab over here. Put this over here. Oh my God. And I got Cajun, y'all. Cajun. They got potatoes. Put everything over here so y'all can see me eat. See the food I eat. And I can actually use this to dip. Oh, they got a corn. Is y'all ready? Bring that up to y'all. Ooh, y'all, I'm ready. Say this prayer, and then we're gonna eat. Get some napkins. And get it popping. Okay. Lord, thank you for this day. Lord, thank you for two beautiful. Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for a beautiful family, Lord. Lord, I want to say that let it rain with blessing in this world, Lord. Touch people's hearts, Lord. It's a lot of cold-hearted people out there, a lot of kids that's not even reaching their true potential and even letting themselves, not even letting themselves seek the true potential in themselves, Lord. Lord, as they analyzing the wrong people, they're idolizing the wrong people, Lord. Lord, I ask that you let it rain with blessings. Lord, I ask that you let it rain with understanding and wisdom, Lord. And Lord, I ask that you continue on blessing me and continue on protecting me and my family, Lord. And protect those family that need to be protected. And I pray this in your son, Jesus' name, amen. So, y'all, let's get into this video. Oh, my God. Let me bring this napkin close to me. I need another. Y'all, I'm so geek. I don't know where I ordered this from, but as soon as I find out, I'm gonna let you know. Now I got the Cajun. I got the dipping sauce right here on the side. The mom right here. The more corn out. Y'all, this is so fine. Taste the potatoes, y'all. This is the potatoes. I don't think this the. I think this is the garlic. But I do not care. Damn. Let's dig into this. Okay, I got that meat. Yeah, this most definitely ain't Cajun. It's gotta be like garlic butter. Y'all, oh my God. Now this is fire. This is how I want to cook mine. I'm drinking Pepsi, y'all. Just for this one time. Nothing in there. I'm sorry, y'all. This is the quietest I've been for a mukbang. I just ain't ate all day. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Might not be opening these crabs the right way, but I'm most definitely getting into the meat. I'm most definitely getting to where I need to get to. Okay, let's get to this part, y'all. I wish I had a microphone. Y'all can hear them crunches real good. Damn. Damn, this was, oh, I took all his meat out. I'm tripping. I'm like, damn, that was a meatless crab. What about if oh, damn. Come on, pull out. Come on. There's more in there. There's more in there. Damn. Damn. That was fire, y'all. I'm gonna find out where this place was. We ordered on DoorDash here in Milwaukee, but man, that right there. That right there was on another level. That right there was another level, y'all. I'm full. I'm full. My bad if I ain't really talk like that. I was so hungry. And most of the time when I do talk, a lot of people be like, hey, I just want to see you eat. So, please apologize. But, food was smacking. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit post notification bell so you know when I'm dropping hits after hits after hits. After this, y'all, be prepared for that challenge. Eat with spicy tea. Be ready for this.
Look good, I might want 'em. When you get your money, gotta remember where you come from. In and out the struggle, I was down, I was up. Had to get it by myself, cause ain't nobody do me nothing. No more, no more, no more, no more.